The 2013 X5 M. Now the discerning customer has the opportunity to enjoy the unique high-performance character of a BMW M car, also in the segment of BMW X models. The BMW X5 M and the BMW X6 M are the first all-wheel drive models to offer the supreme performance, dynamic driving features, athletic design, and premium quality of a typical BMW M car, and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, all-wheel drive, airbags, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, cruise control, compass, power windows, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, heated driver's seat, leather seats, tachometer, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, power heated outside mirrors, remote window operation, driver memory seats, rear spoiler. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.